Hi, this video is about how to review the feedback that you get on the assignments that you've completed. So once you have submitted an assignment on the Turnitin link and I have graded it and made comments on it, you should be able to go back and look at it and get the feedback that I've left for you. In order to do that, the first thing you need to do is go to the link where you turned in your assignment. So I'm going to use this as an example, coursework assignment on biased language. And then once you click on that, it will bring up the Turnitin link again where you submitted your assignment. Okay, so you can see test student here has received a grade of 85. In order to be able to look at the assignment and get the feedback, you click on the submission title. I just titled it test student, but whatever you titled yours. And then it will bring the view of the document up so that you can look at the comments that I've made. And so notice right now you can't see the comments that I've made. All you can see is the document as you've submitted it. But if you go right up here to the top where it says grade mark, click on that and it will bring up my remarks that I made. So you can see them over here. If you go down to the bottom down here where it shows the little grid mark here, and it says view or edit the rubric for this paper, and we want to click on that because you want to be able to see the comments that I made over there also. Okay, so this one was fine, so I didn't make a comment on it. The second one, I did need to make a comment. The average employee is dissatisfied with their wages, and it says pronoun antecedent agreement. Notice if you hover over it, it opens up further, or you can click on it and it will give you the feedback. Pronoun antecedent agreement, and I made the additional comment, employee is singular and there is plural. Use employees, the plural term, so you can use their, which is plural. And so that gives you feedback so that you can see in the future you don't want to use something singular with their or they or them. You want to make your pronoun and your antecedent match. Same thing here. Here's another pronoun antecedent. It says, again, note that a student is singular and there is plural. Use the plural form students, parents, so you can use there. And then finally, we have no capital on history, that is capitalized. And it says history is not the name of a particular time in history, so it is not capitalized. So you can see this kind of feedback can help you with future assignments, and this is something that you can pay attention to so that you can prevent making these same kinds of errors in future assignments. If you, after you click on the little grid at the bottom that brings up the rubric, you can see that this student received 20 out of 20 for the format and layout. It was just the way I asked for it to be. The content, I said to choose 5 sentences and redo them, so 20 out of 20 for content. The organization was good. I could tell they're numbered properly. Everything was very clear for me to be able to follow. The sentences, there was some error taken off for the sentences, and I can't see all the way to the bottom of this one, but anyway, so 10 points taken off, and that was for both of these, the pronoun antecedent agreement twice. And then there was a mechanics error, which was the not capitalize this history there. So this is what you need to do every time you get an assignment that is graded. Go back and don't just look at the numbers on the grade. Go back and actually look at the comments, because the comments are meant to help you avoid those mistakes in the future. So feedback is important.